Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best litter trapping mats. After hours of researching, we have selected the best litter trapping mats and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Pieviev Cat Litter Mat. Our preferred cat litter mat for the majority of litter box setups is the Pieviev Cat Litter Mat. Litter falls through the top layer and is stored in the bottom layer thanks to an inventive double-layer honeycomb construction. You can easily pick up the mat and direct the accumulated litter into the trash or back into your litter box because the two layers can be pulled apart like an envelope. Eva foam, which is frequently used in flip-flops and foam clogs, is utilized to make the Pieviev. It is also non-toxic because it doesn't contain phthalates, which are plasticizing agents that could affect how humans and animals produce hormones. Additionally, it has a rubber-like squishy quality that is comfortable on your cat's paws and durable. The Pieviev mat can withstand years of abuse, even if your cat likes to scratch the Eva mat. One drawback of its honeycomb design is that moist messes may clog the gaps that separate the top layer from the bottom layer. But because this litter mat is waterproof, you can wash it in the sink or with a hose. Pieviev litter mats come in 2 sizes, 3 colors, and an extra large 30 by 24 inch design. Number 2. Cosyearn XL Cat Litter Mat. The Cosyearn Cat Litter Mat XL is ideal for a home with several cats because it is big enough to fit multiple litter boxes. The Cosyearn, which is 47 by 35 inches, gives cats coming out of a litter box a lot of runway and collects more litter that gets caught in their paws. The Cosyearn Litter Mat XL is constructed of PVC vinyl, so it won't absorb odors or stains, yet it has a coarse woven pile like a doormat or scrub brush. Instead, it is simple to clean with a hose or in a sink. The majority of common trash spillage, although nominally waterproof, the XL litter mat doesn't have any way to hold onto water. This liquid will flow off onto your floor or even pool beneath the mat, making it less effective for soaking up anything or too dirty. Because of the spongy, semi-carpet texture of this litter mat, your cat may choose to lounge there even when they aren't doing potty. Gray or brown are the 2 color options for the Cosyearn XL. Number 3. PetFusion ToughGrip Cat Litter Mat. Even though all mats will struggle to hold a lot of liquid filth, the PetFusion ToughGrip Litter Mat does a better job than most at doing so. To catch loose trash, the ToughGrip employs long, wavy ridges rather than holes or fibers. It now has a more open structure that is much simpler to clean. Additionally, the ToughGrip includes a raised lip around the mat's perimeter that can help contain standing liquid. You can easily wipe down or rinse off this kitty litter pad thanks to its design and waterproof silicone composition. There are 2 distinct sizes available for the PetFusion ToughGrip Cat Litter Mat. Number 4. ANDALUS Cat Litter Mat. This straightforward mat is by far the least expensive option among the cat litter mats that we recommend. On the other hand, it does have a few significant drawbacks, so it's probably best suited for kids, little cats, or even locations that aren't that big. The cat litter mat has a footprint that is only 15.57 by 11.75 inches, so while it can serve as a landing location for your cat outside of the litter box, it probably won't be able to catch as much litter as cat litter mats that have larger footprints. It comes in a variety of colors, including brown, gray, and navy blue. Number 5. Moonshuttle Headshaped BlackHole Litter Mat. Who could resist this litter mat in the form of an adorable kitty head? The Moonshuttle Headshaped BlackHole Litter Mat has a bottom layer that can be simply emptied out and employs the same dual-layer construction as our best overall cat litter mat. When it comes to capturing cat litter and preventing your cats from distributing it over the house, it's one of the best designs we've tried. Additionally, it is made of Eva rubber foam, which is resilient, soft, and non-toxic. The Headshaped BlackHole Litter Mat's round shape and compact size are its main drawbacks because they may make it slightly simpler for your cat to maneuver around it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.